Hey, welcome back to CGR. So, on today's video, I finally installed my new tires. So, I did decide to go bigger than, what they came with. If I'm not wrong, the stock size, I believe, is 245, 60, or 65, 18. But I'm about to show you the new look I went. And, of course, I got that idea from some police interceptor groups. I saw that it was possible to do, so I wanted to do it. I wanted a bigger tire. I wanted something to fit the fender wheel, fill the fender wheel a little more. And this does it. There's no rubbing on turns. I could still do full U-turns. I haven't seen any impact on my driving or really on the speedometer because it's not that much of a change, but you'd be surprised, a few little numbers on the tires, how different it will look in your vehicle. Honestly, I like it because it kind of looks like the 2020 Interceptors now. If you've ever seen a 2020 Interceptor utility, you'll know that like the tires like pretty bulgy, like big. The sidewall's nice and huge. It's not like a thinner tire. And definitely it picked up the front end of this utility. This is a 2016 utility. Of course, you could use this tire size on a civilian Explorer. These Steelies are 18-inch rims. And if you just don't like that smaller tire look on your regular civilian Explorer, I would use this size 2 on it as well. Actually, once winter hits here, we're just exiting winter here in the Chicagoland area. So I'm gonna get this same size on a snow tire. So I gotta get some new Steelies so that way I'm not just swapping out tires. I just have a new set, jack the truck up and put them right on. So let me exit out the vehicle and show you guys how it looks. So as you can see what I mean, like that tire's nice, way bigger than what it normally is. And to me, this front end, it just picks it up really nice. Let me do a quick walk around and then I'll show you the tire size. Just from the side, obviously it's sticking out because I got the steering wheel turned a little bit. If you haven't checked out my video on how to change that, check out the channel. Also, if you're interested in this, I got a video on that. I actually wired them up as turn signals. I left the wires for the strobes alone. I can literally hook them up if I want. They're amber, so it's not a big deal. But so as you can see, that fender, like, it's more filled than what it was normally. See? So, give you another walk around. And don't forget, I got a video coming up on changing the rear one. I got the same color as the front. So, here we go. Actually, this tire size is 265 60/18. That's the tire size I went up with. I still got to make a video on my spotlight. Shannon, if you watch this video, bro, I know you're subscribed to my channel, but shout out to Shannon. He sells a bunch of utility bulbs, the LED spotlights and center caps. So that's how it looks. Obviously the truck looks different from if you've seen it originally when I first bought it. It looks way better now. So I feel like this looks real aggressive. See what I'm saying? Like from far away, it gives it that 2020 Interceptor look. because those tires are like real big. That sidewall is real bulgy. And if you've ever seen a 2020 Interceptor utility, you know what I'm talking about. When you look at those tires, it's like the first thing that stands out to me on those 2020 utilities. So I'm gonna get the same setup on some snow tires eventually. You know, obviously once winter starts hitting, a real good set of winter tires. I drive a lot of rural roads, so I really need a good set of tires out here. Yeah, man. So no issues here. No issues here. I feel like this is the best tire size to go with. If you felt like you're actually on the sedan, don't quote me on it. I'm not 100% sure what stock tire size the sedans come with, but the utility, I'd definitely go with this tire size anytime. It just looks, to me, it just looks way better. It just looks so aggressive. It's real nice. You know, I forgot what the factory tire size is. I don't have them in the truck. I just went and cleaned her up, so I can't remember exactly what the factory size is, but they're way tiny. They're, you know, from day one I knew I wanted to change them. I just didn't know what people were going with. But yeah, man. So if you like this utility, I hope you click on the channel. I hope you subscribe and check out all the videos I got in this utility. I got a lot of videos on it. You know, some that I still haven't edited, but look how it looks. I'm trying to, so the front end even like sticks up a little higher. It just looks so nice. So nice. So yeah, I mean, if you got any questions, you know, let me know. I hope you guys subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one.